Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have a new product review. I'm gonna try and test this Borescope. This is by the company Teslong. This one by the casing, you know they mean business. Let's open it up and see what we have in it. User manual, and if we check the user manual, it's gonna tell you everything about it. Plus, it has very nice pictures, colored pictures in it, and it's gonna tell you all the functions of the Borescope. We have here the Borescope camera. This one feels pretty good. In your hand, you're supposed to use one hand only, and you can tilt it, so it gives you, I guess, more angle on the camera if you need to. Also, it has a reset button right here, and it has a flashlight. In case that you're working in a dark place and you're gonna use your camera, you can have a flashlight in there. Before we start checking the Borescope, I'm gonna see what else we have. Right here we have the USB connector to plug it into the computer or charge your device. Also, we'll have a few attachments. Okay, a hook and a magnet. Pretty handy. In case that you drop something and you need to pick it up, you can pick it up with these ones. If you want to use your attachments, you need to remove the end of the camera. You can put the little attachments, just thread it in there. Yeah, very handy. If you need to pull something, it's not gonna fall off because you thread it to the camera. Okay, so we got the cable ready. This cable is flexible, but it's really hard. That means that you can put it the way you want it and it's not gonna bend easily. So that's a really cool feature. First thing that you need to do, connect it right here. Once you connect it, just turn the knob so you can lock it in place, and let's turn it on. Press the button and hold it to turn it on, and the camera is already working. Really nice. But another cool feature of this Borescope, you have a little button in here. You press it and you change the cameras. So you have two cameras, one on the front and one on the other side. Also, you can change with this same button, you can change the brightness of the camera. 1, 2, 3 modes. And if you change the cameras again, now you have the front one, which you control the light too with it. On this one, it has 6 LEDs, and on the little one, it has 1. Cool little feature, you have 2 cameras. So in case that you using it and you need to angle a place specifically, you can switch cameras right here with this button. On this side right here, you're gonna have the SD card, and that's where you're gonna connect your cable. Also, if you're not using your device, make sure that you charge it at least every 3 months to preserve the battery. It has rechargeable batteries on the bottom, so it's kind of bright outside, but if you look at the camera, you can take pictures with this button. So it took a picture right there, and you have the mode. That's recording, so that's video, and that's pictures. That's the picture I just took. That's another picture. Oh, that's my baby. So I was playing with it yesterday, and really easy to use. Taking pictures, really easy to do it. You have settings in here. You can delete the pictures. You have the protection and the slideshow. So actually, you can play slideshow with it. 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds is gonna change whatever picture you have in there, which is cool, really cool. Now, if you go to settings, you have the auto power on and off. Press OK, it's gonna turn it off. You have languages, press OK, and it has a lot of languages in there. I'm gonna leave it in English for now. Day and time. Format, you can format your SD card. Default settings, you can go back to the same way it was before. And those are the settings. So now, when I go to video, when you press the little camera button, it's gonna start recording. I'm gonna start doing some inspection in my car. I already removed the intake tube. I'm gonna open the throttle body and put the camera inside, see how the intake looks from the inside. If the audio works, you're gonna start hearing me from the Borescope right now. It looks kind of dark, so I'm gonna turn on the lighting. Okay, perfect. Let's go and see inside, see how the intake looks. Switching camera, that's the small camera. Oh, that's my intake runners. Nice. Now let's switch the camera again. Okay, we can't see anything in there. So let me switch again. Okay, that's the intake runners. It doesn't look really dirty inside. It looks pretty cool. And because I was using the small camera right there with the big one, I don't catch much on the intakes. But because we have the second one, if we don't see with the other one, we can check with the small one, which is pretty cool. Well guys, there you have it. I hope you like this little episode, and link is gonna be in the description for this Borescope. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.